till fifth question.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Till question 5 we are sought.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you gave homework, sir. These all questions.
This question was the last.
Yes, sir.
Did you solve this also? Finding the product.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. We solved
It's
it, sir.
easy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if x, y, y, z, z, x, they are multiplied, what do we get?
X square, Y square, Z square.
X square, y square, z square.
Yes, sir.
In this case,
Minus 8 to the power 6.
Minus A to the power 6.
minus a raised to the power 6. So basic thing is you have to use law of exponents and add the powers. In this case, the numbers are to be multiplied.
Yes,
2
sir.
multiplied
And
to
then
4
the
multiplied to 8
this
So
multiplied to
1224 y raised to the power 6.
1224 y raised to the power 6.
Yes, sir.
For the fourth one, it is 36 times of a square,
A square,
b
B
square,
square,
c
C
square.
square.
In this, it's minus
M cube,
M3
m cube
yeah,
n square
n
n
square
square
Q
p.
N square P.
p.
So it's easy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question 1 of exercise 9.3 is related to multiplication, but they have given multiplication of a monomial with binomial.
Sir,
For
last
the
question,
Hmm.
it is 1024, sir, not 1220.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, it is 1024. Okay, I am correcting it. 1024. All right. Thank you, sir. Now look at the multiplication of a binomial with a monomial. Here 4p should be multiplied to both these terms, and the answer for the first one will be 4p cube
4p
plus
plus
4pr.
4PR.
Very
4
good.
PR, sir. 4 PR.
For the second one,
A
it
square
is
b
Yes,
minus
a square
B
b
minus
p minus
AB.
ab
ab
square.
ab square.
AB
ab
square.
square.
Yes, sir. For third one
And
is
for the third one,
7
we
7
have to
cube plus
multiply
7
this to
7
cube,
both
a cube
A
plus
cube
b
b
square
square plus
7
square
7A
7
square
a
B.
square
a square
plus
b cube.
7 a square
cube.
b cube.
yes, sir. B cube.
Yes, sir.
And
Fourth
for the
one,
fourth one,
4A cube minus
4A cube minus 36A.
36A, sir.
36 times of a. Very
A.
good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How about the last one?
0,
0.
sir.
0, sir.
0.
Yes, sir. 0.
The same question was asked in one of the examinations some years before, and the person had considered this as a VO, not 0. So he had multiplied OPQ, OQR, and OPR. Actually, this is 0. VO doesn't look like this. All right.
Yes,
Yes,
This is
sir.
a
sir.
question related to again
Given.
multiplication. There are two expressions given. First expression and the second expression. You need to write the product of the expression in the third column.
Sir, ab plus ac plus
Sir,
ad.
AB plus AC plus AD, sir.
Correct.
First one.
Is AB plus
Plus AC
AC
plus
plus
plus AD.
AD.
AD, sir. Yes, sir.
When 5xy is multiplied to these three terms, 5x
5x
square
5x
square
square
y
y
plus
plus 5x
xy
y
square
square minus 25xy.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
When p is multiplied to these three terms,
p
6
cube
6
minus
minus 7
p cube minus 7p
5p
square
5 and plus 5P.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
For the
4p
next one,
4p to the power 4 q square
Minus 4 p
cube
square.
minus 4
4p
p
square
square
plus
q to the power 4.
Yes, sir. 2
correct.
to the power 4.
a square
A
bc plus
square plus
A
b square
square
plus
bc
c
plus
square.
a
plus
b
abc
square
square.
c plus abc square.
Uday is telling wrong. Only one of that will be squared. Uday is saying a square plus b square plus c square. No,
abc square.
this is the answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Now it's finding the product. Carefully, we have to do it because somewhere fractions are
So
involved.
8
Hmm.
a to the power
a to the
50.
power 50.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 8 to the power
8 a raised to the
8
power
a to the power
50.
50.
50.
8 to the
50.
power 8 to the power 50.
For the second,
So
it's a
minus 3 by
fraction.
5
3
x
by
to the
5
power
x cube
x
y
cube
cube.
Y
y
cube.
cube.
This can be simplified. We will be
Yes, sir.
getting negative 3 by 5 x
X cube y
cube
cube.
y
X
cube.
cube Y cube.
In this case, 5
Minus
2
4 q to
times,
Minus
the power 4 q to the power 4.
3 2 times. So minus 4 p to the power 4 q to the power 4.
X to the
And
power
for the
10.
fourth
Four
one,
1 by
to the
x to
power
the power minus 10.
10.
it is just x to the power 10. Now, this question we had solved, this type of question we had solved. First, we
Yes,
have to
sir.
simplify this, then you have to substitute the value.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
First, let us simplify this. We get
12 x
12 times of x
12x
square
12x
minus
square
12
minus
minus
15x.
x plus 3.
x plus 3.
Now we have to find out for x value as 3. We get
66.
12 times of
108
3 square
Into
minus
minus
15 times of
Minus
3
15
plus
into
3.
3.
yes.
This
66.
is
108 minus 45
3
plus 3.
square is 9. 9 multiplied to 12.
108
108.
108
108.
minus
minus
45
45 plus
45
3.
plus 3.
48 minus 108 will become 250.
66, sir.
66, sir.
66 is the answer. Correct. For x is equal to 1 by 2,
1 by 2.
it is 12 times of 1 by 2 whole square minus 15 times of 1 by 2 plus 3. So it is 12 times of 1 by
1 by
4
4
minus 15 by 2 plus
plus
3.
3.
This will be 3 times.
3
3 plus
times
3 is 6. So 6 minus 15 by 2 should
15.
be simplified.
7.5
So we get minus 3 by 2
minus
Yes, sir.
1 point. Minus 1 point.
Yes, sir.
minus 3 by 2 because LCM is 2, it becomes 12 minus 15, which is negative 3.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Minus 3 by 2.
This is again very simple like previous question.
Yeah,
Sir,
sir.
first one answer 0, sir.
First we have to multiply this, we get a cube
First one is
plus
5.
a square plus a
plus a.
plus 5. Now if a value is 0, we get
5.
answer as 5.
The 5.
5, sir.
He says 0. He forgot that plus 5 is there.
Yes, sir.
For a is equal to 1, it
8.
is 1 cube, which is
1
1.
cube, sir.
1 square is also 1. 1 plus
8,
5.
sir.
Plus
So
5.
totally it is
5,
8.
sir.
8.
8.
8. For the third one, a is equal to minus 1. Now we should be careful. When cube term is there, we get minus 1.
Plus 1.
When
Plus 1.
square term is there,
Plus
plus 1.
Again minus 1 plus
Again minus 1 plus 5.
Plus
Plus
5.
5.
So these two can be cancelled.
and
So we
5
get the
minus
result
1.
as 4.
4, sir.
4. Yes, sir.
Yes.
4.
Now add.
Yeah.
So better not to write them one below the other. It's
P
easy
square
if you write them
minus
like this.
3b
P times
square.
of P minus Q should be added to Q times of Q minus R
minus
should
R
be added to
added.
R times of
R
R
times of
minus
R
R
P.
times
minus
of
P.
R minus P.
P square minus PQ.
P square minus PQ
Q
plus
square minus
Q square
QR
minus QR
Minus
plus
plus
R square
minus
minus
RP.
RP.
Will any term get cancelled? None of the terms will get cancelled here.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir. The same answer will be
As it
repeated,
is
sir.
answer, sir,
Correct.
as it is. P
I
square
will write the
plus
square terms first, followed by
minus PQ
The double
PQ,
terms.
minus RP
QR, RP.
minus RP, yes, sir.
This is the answer.
D. Yeah, 2x.
Yeah, 2x when multiplied to
2xz
z, we get
2x,
2xz
that's it.
2xz
2x
minus
minus
square
minus 2x square
minus
minus
2xy
2xy
2xy.
Plus
plus
This should be
2yz
added to
2yz
2yz
minus 2y square
minus
minus
2y
2y.
square minus 2xy.
minus 2yz.
YZ. Or minus
xy.
2x.
The 2y
xy xy.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Now these two are the like terms,
Minus
and rest of the
minus
things are not like terms, isn't it? So
Yes,
Yes, sir.
2xz I will write first, followed by 2yz, followed by minus 4 times of xy,
4xy
minus
yes,
2x
sir.
square, minus
Minus
2y
4xy.
square.
Yes, sir.
All terms are there?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
yes
It's always better to check the answer again.
Yes.
Now it is a question related to subtraction.
Subtraction.
This particular thing to be subtracted from this,
Sir,
Sir, it is better to
first
use
we should
column method, sir.
remove bracket, sir.
it is better to use column method. Let
Yes,
us
sir.
not
Yes,
use
sir.
column method. Let
Sir,
me
first we
let
can
me
find
use
the
like
value
this.
and then we can use column methods.
First we should remove bracket, sir.
You try with column method. I'll try in this method. Let's see. Minus,
Yes, sir.
you have
3L
to write 3L multiplied to L minus 4M
Plus
plus
5.
plus
Plus
5n
5N.
5n.
Plus
Yes, sir. Plus 5n.
I have
Bracket
written
close.
here minus, and once again I have taken the bracket. The reason is in the subtraction it's very important that this minus 1
The
to be
signs of
multiplied
all
to
the
the
terms will
terms.
change.
Yeah, signs will change. Now
40
4 multiplied to
40
10
ln
is 40 NL.
minus 12
minus
lm
12 lm
Okay,
plus 8
plus
l square
12 minus
good.
3l square
minus 3 l square
Now it's very important. Minus
Sir,
3L
minus
multiplied to L
12
is
lm
minus 3L square.
plus
Minus of
plus
minus
12
is
lm
plus
L square
12 ml. When
minus
minus of
15 lm
minus will be there 15 times of NL.
in lm.
Let me
sir,
highlight the like
minus
terms. This is
3L
like with
square
the last one.
minus into minus plus
This is like term with this one.
m plus
L
And
square.
will
this
get,
one
sir.
is
15
like term with
L and
this.
R
Plus 12
NL
plus
sir
12 will get
is equal
cancelled.
to 4 NL
Very good. These two can be cancelled.
cancel sir.
plus
And now we
40
25
minus
nl
have
15.
ln plus 5l
10
square
plus 5.
are like terms.
25
25
nl
NL.
Plus
plus 5 l square.
5 NL square sir.
So this is only the answer.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Yes. Did you try in column method?
Yes, sir.
No sir.
No,
Did you
sir.
get the
Yes, sir.
same
I
result?
tried, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes,
I-
sir.
Yes
You
sir.
have to write like this first, minus 12 ml plus 2L.
Plus
Now you
2L.
have to
minus
identify.
12
Hmm, this will be
plus 15
3L
LN
minus 12
LN
ml
sir plus
plus 5 NL. NL, no?
No sir.
Sir,
First NL term should be written. It
Yes,
is
sir.
plus
NL sir.
15 NL
15
Yeah,
minus 15 nl sir.
minus
12 ml plus
Minus
minus
12
It is minus
NL.
15.
minus 12
It is plus only, sir.
Plus
Sir,
12
after also written, sir.
Afterwards,
is
it will
L
get cancelled.
8L square, sir.
Okay, sir.
8L square.
L square. Here it is
Sir,
Yes, sir.
3L
Yes,
square.
sir.
Now you have to change the sign.
3L square.
Minus.
Yes, sir.
This term will become 0.
Plus will become minus, minus will.
This will become 5L square. This will be
25
25
Yes, sir.
NL.
Yes,
So
sir.
the answer is 25
25
NL plus 5
L
plus
square.
minus.
We do get the same answer, but very importantly, you have to write the terms one below the other in a proper way.
Yes.
Now, if you follow our hero's method, it becomes little difficult because here the combination of two expressions are there.
Sir, we have to multiply, then we have to follow, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
first we should
First you have to simplify, then you have to follow. Or we
Yes, sir.
can follow the previous method and take this
Yes, sir.
first 4C.
first we should remember
Let's multiply
bracket,
this.
sir.
Minus 4
4CA
Minus 4K
Yes.
minus
4C
plus 4CB
plus
4C square.
4P RPC
4C square.
Plus 4 square.
4C square.
minus
Sir,
of.
minus sorry sir 3A square
Simplify this. 3A square
plus 3AB plus 3AC
3AC
minus 2BA
minus
2AB
2AB.
minus 2B square
plus
minus
2B
2AB.
square.
This should be
BC.
multiplied here. It becomes
Plus
plus
Plus 2B square.
plus 2B square
minus
When we will do this, sir, we get
4AB plus
answer as
BC B square.
Uday, there is a disturbance in your voice. I am changing the sign of all these. Now I have changed all the signs. We have to search for the like terms.
sir minus 4AC minus 3AC
So there are two like terms here. It becomes negative 7 AC
minus
plus 4BC plus 2BC
7 is
6 BC
BC.
4C square.
Then
There is no other term.
sir
So plus 4C square.
As it
yeah,
is.
we
This
should
should
write
be
yeah.
as it is.
There's so much of disturbance.
So much of disturbance. Srishail, check your mic. There is disturbance. This is negative 3AB, positive 2AB.
Why
It
is it
becomes
break?
negative AB. Hope you all have got the same answer. If you do in the other method also, same answer must be obtained. Now the question is to multiply the binomials. Whenever multiplication of binomial is there, we follow certain steps. Here, first term should be multiplied to these two terms, followed by a symbol, then the next term multiplied to both the terms. So 2x should be multiplied to 4x minus 3 plus 5 should be multiplied to 4x minus 3. In the next step,
sir
it becomes
8x square
8x square
8x square
minus 6x
6x
plus
plus
20x
20x
minus
minus
15.
8x square plus 14x minus 15 sir
Are you sure that it is positive?
Yes, sir.
yes sir it is positive
Very good.
Sir, this inverse is splitting the term in factorization, sir.
Minus 15.
This is an inverse method of factorization. There is a chapter
Yes, sir.
called as a factorization chapter, probably chapter number 14, I think, or 13, I think. There you will learn factorization. It's exactly reverse order. We use the method called as splitting the middle term method. This middle term, we are going to split it. We'll learn it, not to worry about that. Now
yes
coming
sir
to multiplication,
Sir, it is
y should be
the 3y square minus 28y plus 24.
minus 8 to be
Factorization.
multiplied to
14th
3y
chapter, sir.
minus 4.
3y minus 4.
So 3y square minus
3y
4y
square
minus
Five.
Minus 24y
24y
Plus 24y
plus 32.
Yes, sir.
Minus 32, sir.
minus
X square
28y.
minus 28y plus 32.
8y plus
Yes, sir.
32, sir.
Simple.
Third one.
When the decimal is there also, we have to follow the same procedure.
Yes, sir.
Square, sir.
2.5 into 2.5 will give 0.06, 0.625.
0.625, correct.
No, sir. 6.25.
Yeah, yes, sir. Answer is
Yes, sir.
Yes, two decimal
6.25.
places. 25 times is 625. So
625.
6.25. Here I was making mistake. This should be minus. Here minus is there. Minus 0.5 m to be multiplied to
multiplied with
2.5 L.
2.5 L plus 0.5 M.
what?
This will be 6.25
6.25 L square.
square.
L square.
Plus
0.5 multiplied to 2.5 is 1.25.
1.
Yes, sir.
ml.
Minus
1.25 ml.
Minus
Minus
1.25
1.25 ml.
ml.
Yes, sir.
Plus minus 1.25 m square.
Correct. This is minus 0.25 m square. These two terms will get cancelled.
Will be cancelled, sir. We will get 6.25
6.25
L
L
square
square
minus
minus 0.25 M
0.25
square.
L square.
2 for L square minus 0
If you
0.2
if you observe this, it is like a minus b multiplied
minus
to a
b.
plus b.
Yes,
This
sir.
is
A minus B
multiplication.
square.
Yes, sir.
So the result has to be a square minus b
A
square,
square
and
minus
we
b
get
square.
a square minus b square. Coming to the fourth one, a to be multiplied to x plus 5 plus 3b to be multiplied to x plus 5.
A
Simple one. It is
AX
ax
plus
plus
5.
plus 5A
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 plus
plus 3BX
3bx
plus 15.
plus
X plus
15b.
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 We cannot do anything further. We have to keep the answer as it is. Srichail, there is some problem with your mic. Now let us multiply this particular thing.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
2PQ bracket
2pq
open
Yes.
bracket
multiply with
Bracket
3PQ
3pq minus 2q
minus
square.
2Q square
Square.
2Q square.
plus 3Q square
Yes, sir.
Plus
Plus
3q square times of
multiplied to
3pq
3PQ
minus 2q
minus
square.
minus
2Q square.
q square.
2Q square is equal to
Yes.
6P square Q square.
Ajay Shetty says, I am unable to hear anything. I'll exit and come again. Please don't lock the room. See, I have made auto admit. Whenever you log in, you'll be logging in directly. This disturbance will be there if mass answers are given. Now to multiply this, I'll
6P
multiply
square
2
Q
with
square
3,
Q square.
6p square
P
q
square
square
Q square
Square
minus 4P Q square PQ cube sir
Minus
Q
PQ
PQ
square.
square, sir. Cube
yes
3,
sir.
yes, sir. Plus
cube 3
plus
or q to the power 3.
Yes
Yes.
sir
Q
Q to the power 3
Q cube.
sir 9
p q cube
Q. Yes, sir.
P Q
To the
minus
Q
power
6q
Q.
raised to the power 4.
2 to the power 3. Yes, sir.
Can we do anything?
No, sir. Yes, sir. We can do, sir.
Look at these middle terms.
P square and Q.
These
Plus
middle
5P.
terms are to be added up.
Added,
We
sir.
get
P.
6p
We should
square
write
q square
q square
Yes, sir.
Plus
minus
5P.
Then
plus
Plus
5
5p
5p
q
p q
cube.
q minus
Minus
6
Yes, sir.
q to the power 4.
4.
4, yes, sir. Q.
Yes. Next one, we should be careful because a fraction is there,
Yes, sir.
and
Yes, sir.
also this 4 is there separately to be multiplied.
Get answer as
Yes, sir.
The best thing is, before you go for multiplication, simplify this.
We will solve that, sir.
So we can
This is
simplify
4a
it first,
square
sir.
minus 8 by 3
8
b
by
square.
3.
B square.
Now this to be multiplied with 3 by
3
4
by
a
4
square
square plus 3b
plus
square.
3b
A
square.
square plus 3b square.
If you do this first, there won't be any confusion. We get the correct answer.
Yes, sir.
3 by 4 and 4 get cancels. We'll be getting 3a to the power 4. To check it, it is 3a to the
So
power
how
4.
it is?
How 4 will get cancelled, sir?
How 4
Yes,
will
sir.
get
Sir,
cancelled?
4, 1 by 4 into
3
3 by 4 into 4 will cancel, sir.
Let me show you.
A square, A
3
square.
by 4 a
One
square multiplied to 4a square. This 4 and 4 will get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
We get
Yes,
3a
sir.
to the power 4
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
minus 3 by 4 a square to be multiplied to 8 by
8 by
3 b square.
8 by 3 b square.
Here if you
24
observe,
by 12
two
a square b.
times 3 and 3 get cancelled.
Yes.
Now there is plus sign. So plus 3b square to be multiplied to both the terms. We get 12 times of a square b square minus 3 and 3 get cancels. We'll be getting 8b to the power 4.
8b square.
So please check it. This will be 3a to the power 4 minus a square b square plus 12a square b square minus 8b to the power 4. Here these two are the like terms. We will be getting 3a to the power 4 plus 11a square b square minus 8b to the power 4. This is the answer we get. Yes, doubt is there. Yes, where is the doubt?
Sir, 2, sir, 8. We
So
cancel
you
it
have
as
written
sir.
a square b square, but we had 2.
2,
4
sir.
and
sir.
8 got cancelled with 2.
Did I write 2 somewhere?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Oh, here it
Above
is.
8.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. This will be 2. If this is 2, this becomes 10.
This will
10. Sir.
Is the answer correct now?
Sir.
Any
Yes, sir.
doubt in this? Why
One
12
square,
a
A
square
square,
b
B
square?
square, sir.
No, sir.
Why minus 8
Instead
b
of
to the power
writing
4?
11, we should write 10, sir.
Okay, sir, I have made the correction here. It's 10. Yes, all of you have understood this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's move on with this question. Here,
Find the
find the product.
sir. Find the product.
15 plus 5x.
Sir, we can use the formula, sir.
Formula or identity cannot be used in this because it is not in any of the form. If you want to
Yes,
use the
sir.
identity,
Sir,
it should be
we
in one
can,
of the
Sir,
form, no?
we can use
sir,
like
we
this,
can
sir.
take
Y
we can take x as common and we
multiplied
can
into
use
3 plus
X
x.
is common, sir.
How will you take common, sir?
Common, sir.
X cannot be taken as common. Here it is a multiplication of these two. It is like the previous multiplication only. 5 to be multiplied to both the terms 3 plus x and minus 2x
Minus
to be
2,
multiplied to 3 plus
3 plus
x.
x.
3 plus x.
15 plus 5x.
Plus 5x.
Minus 6x and minus 2x square.
Yes.
Okay.
15 minus x minus 2x square.
Correct? Here
Yes, sir.
plus 5 minus 6. The combination
Yes.
gives us minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now look at this. X to be multiplied to both the terms. X times of 7x minus y.
X minus y.
Plus
Yeah,
7
7 y to be multiplied to 7x minus.
y.
y.
On multiplication,
7
we get 7x
Square
square minus
y.
6y
plus y
Yes.
plus 49
Plus 7yx.
xy
49xy
49.
7x
minus 7x y
y
square.
here middle
7x
there is a
square.
like term.
We can minus it, cancel it.
7x square plus
7x square
48xy minus 7y square.
48xy minus 7y square.
Okay, now a
A
square is
square.
there.
square should be multiplied to a plus b whole square, sir.
A plus b square, it is not a plus b whole square, it is a plus b square. Plus b should be multiplied to a plus b square.
A plus b square.
A square times of a is a
A
cube.
cube plus a
A
square b
cube
square
AB square
plus ab plus b cube.
plus
a plus
BA
b
plus
cube.
B cube.
Are there any like terms? There is no like term here.
No, sir.
This itself is the answer.
Yes, sir.
In the next, p square to be
P
multiplied to
square
2p plus
P plus q
plus Q
minus q
minus
square.
q
P
square to be multiplied to p
multiplied
plus
to
q.
P plus Q.
2p cube plus p square
2
cube
Cube
2P
plus
2P Q
p square q
square
minus
minus
2p square
minus
p q square
PQ square
minus
p cube.
q cube.
Hmm. Are there any like terms?
No, sir. This itself the answer.
No, sir.
Correct. So we have to stop at this stage. In the next question, we need to simplify.
Sir, here
Hmm.
Sir, first
let us
we can
simplify, then we have to
multiply
add
these terms,
25.
sir. Then we can add 25, sir.
Afterwards, we should add 25.
Yes, sir.
Let me tell you, most of you will go wrong in solving this. The reason is plus 25 is there in the expression. Srichai,
Yes, sir.
you can mute for some time. There is some disturbance from your phone. Here, x square to be multiplied to x plus 5 minus 5 to be multiplied to x plus 5. This positive 25 should be retained in all the steps. This plus 25 is very important. Most of you, what they will do is, they will consider only this part from year to year and they solve. They forget that plus 25 is also there. So best thing is, in each step you write plus 25. There's nothing wrong.
Sir, we
X
will
square-
get
X
x
cube
cube plus
plus
5x
5x
square
square
minus
X cube
5x
plus
plus 50.
5x square
minus 5x
5x plus
plus 20
Plus
minus
50.
25
Plus
plus
25.
25.
But here
Then
only
minus 25 and plus 25 will get cancelled, sir.
We cancel,
As
sir.
I had mentioned that many will go wrong, your friend already went wrong. He told it is 50. Actually, it is minus 25 added to 25. This becomes 0.
Minus it is, sir. 0, sir.
This will become 0.
Minus
And rest of the terms have to be written.
X
Will
square
remain
plus
same.
X
5x
cube
square minus
plus
5
5x square
Plus
minus
5x
5x
square
minus
square.
5x.
x cube
This
plus
is the
5x
answer.
plus minus x. Yes,
Understood?
sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Try
Okay,
this.
sir.
Try this.
Sir, we get answer as a square b.
You are telling the final answer.
again same, sir. We have to retain 5 and calculate.
Yes, you have to retain 5.
Final answer.
Tell me the final result what we get.
A square b cube, sir.
Square B cube plus 3A square
A
plus
square
5B plus 20.
b cube plus 3a square
Hmm.
3A
plus
square plus 5B cube.
yes, sir.
5b
Plus
cube
5b
plus
cube plus
15.
20.
Plus
Yes, sir.
10, sir.
plus 20, sir.
Yes, sir.
20, sir.
20.
Plus
Answer we get.
20.
Hope all
Final
of you
answer.
have got this plus 20.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm. Now let's
Yes, sir. We got.
solve this. It's t to be multiplied with t square minus s plus s square to be multiplied to t
Square
square
minus
minus
s
s.
Sir, the answer is t cube minus st plus t square s square minus s cube.
Plus s square t square
minus s cube.
Minus
Yes.
S.
We can write the cube terms first. It is t
Yes,
cube
T
minus
square
s
Cube
cube
minus s
minus
square
S
Sir.
cube
plus
plus
S
s
square t
square
square
t square
T cube.
minus
S square
minus st.
minus
Yes.
SIST.
This question. Hope this is a last question for today's session.
Yes, sir.
So first we can multiply all these terms and then we can add these terms, sir.
Yes, sir.
What I prefer is this
Yeah,
particular
plus
plus sign. This plus sign I will keep as it is,
Solos.
and this inside ones I will solve.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Means if I solve this, I will be getting a
AC
multiplied to c minus b plus b multiplied to c minus b. This plus I will write as it is. Then inside I'll write a bracket a times of c plus d minus b times of c plus
B
d
comes
plus
C plus D. Yes, sir.
plus
It is
2AC
2AC
2
plus 2
AC plus
plus
2
2
plus
BD.
2 BD
Yes, sir. 2 plus BD.
AC
minus AD
Minus AD.
minus
plus
BC.
BC minus BD
I made a
Yes, sir.
mistake
Minus
here. It is plus
minus
BC minus
minus
BD
BD, sir.
plus
Plus E
plus
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 AC
AC
plus
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 AD
AD
4
minus
minus
AC
BC
BC
minus BC
minus BD
minus BD.
plus
plus
2AC
2A
plus
Yeah, yes, sir.
2BD.
It is as it
Plus
is.
2B.
Sir, when we
Hmm.
There are
we get
some
4 AC, sir.
there are 1, 2, 3 like terms.
Sir, AC is cancelled, sir. AC and
Yes,
AC.
Let
You
me
can
highlight this. AC, there is AC, there is one more
yes, sir.
AC.
Yes, sir.
Totally
2
4 times of
2AC
ACs are present.
4S. Yes, sir.
4
4S.
AC
sir, 4 AC is answer, sir.
4S,
Equal
sir.
to 4 times of AC.
All others
Yes, sir.
get cancelled, sir.
Now let us identify AD term. AD, where
With
is another
green color.
AD? It is there here. Okay.
minus AD plus AD 0
Since they
Yes,
are
sir. 0,
one
sir.
positive, one negative, I can cancel
0.
them.
Yes, sir. B.
Yes, sir.
Then
Now let
BC,
me
sir.
identify BC.
B. Yes, sir.
There is
BC
minus
also
BC.
cancels,
it
sir.
will also get
That is
cancelled,
also
sir.
get cancelled.
0 we obtain, sir.
And sir 2 minus 2 BD and plus 2 BD will also get
Minus
cancelled.
BD plus
Yes, sir.
Minus
Cancel.
BD,
2 BD
minus
As we
BD
get answer is
plus
BD gets
2 BD.
cancelled.
0, sir.
So these two are negative, one is positive. So total result is
0.
0
0. They get cancelled. I
So
am
only
cancelling
4 AC is
this.
answer, sir.
Only 4 AC is the answer.
Yes.
It's simple.
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Simple.
Which chapter you feel difficult?
Sir.
The compound interest, sir.
Sir,
That.
that
Yes, sir.
inverse and inverse variation and direct variation.
That I have not started, no?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
comparing quantities, sir.
Comparing
Yes, sir.
quantities.
Comparing quantities.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll make a set of few questions which are important ones. I'll be sharing you
Yes, sir.
and
Please.
please
Yes, sir.
try solving them. If
Okay,
any
sir.
difficulties, we'll solve in the class.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one doubt.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is the doubt?
Sir, is infinity treated as a literal, sir?
Infinity?
Is infinity treated as a literals like A, B, C, D till Z?
No, actually, what is the meaning of infinity? I'll tell you.
Unlimited, sir. Uncountable.
Whenever, in mathematical sense, whenever a number is divided by 0, we will be in search of quotient. What
0.
quotient? What quotient is there?
You can never
0.
obtain
We
value.
cannot find. In
Not
such
defined.
cases, such cases, we write it as not defined. If there is 0 by 0,
0.
0, sir. As it is.
here it can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2. We don't know which number to write here. It
Yes,
can be any number. In such cases, we use the
Yes.
word infinity because infinitely many answers are possible for this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, same way, there is a chapter called as limits and continuity in class 11th. You are going to define a number divided by a large number.
Yes, sir.
If 1 is divided by 10, we know the result as 0.1.
0.1.
If 1 is divided by 1000, it is
0.001.
0.001. Whenever the denominator becomes very large, the value will tend to be 0. It comes nearer,
Yes.
closer and closer to 0. So,
Yes, sir.
if we say that 1 by a large number, say infinity, is considered as 0. This concept you are going to study in class 11th.
Sir, how it is 0, sir? 1 by infinite.
It will be near to 0, sir.
There is a chapter called as limits, sir, in class 11th.
Approximate
You
to
are
0.
going to learn this
First time.
concept. 1 by a very large number is nearly equal to 0.
And 1 divided by extremely small number also will become to infinity, sir.
Yes, sir, very good. 1 by very small number will be a huge value that is called as infinity.
Infinite.
Yes,
Infinite
something
is
you have understood. But in class 11th, you will understand it very clearly.
Okay, sir.
So can you give example of second one, sir? 1 by very small number.